Okay, here we go. Yeah.
Oh. Wait, I'm so confused.
Okay, you guys good?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Do you want me to quickly run through? Right, so the first one we said I'm going to use this big triangle because we know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. So we're going to say that 2x plus the 90 plus the 3x will be equal to 180. Okay, and the reason, angles on a straight line. Then from there, we worked out 5x plus 90 is equal to 180. Take the 90 over, so 5x is equal to 90. Divide both sides by 5, so x is 18. Now, they also said that this smaller triangle, that one, is an isosceles triangle. So if you were to go draw your little stick man, these sides are the same, which means that the feet over here will be the same. No. So that's how I got to my next part of WYZ, meaning this angle will also be equal to y because it's angles opposite equal sides. Remember, we're not supposed to say isosceles as a reason. Okay, then, so is everyone fine with that? Okay, now, if I look at this triangle, we can say that this y plus that y plus, and instead of 3x, I'm going to say 3 times 18 because we already worked out what x is. Right? Will be equal to 180 angles of a triangle. Now let's simplify that. X plus x is, y plus y is 2y. And the 3 times 18 gives me 54. So if I took that over, it becomes 2y is equal to 126, which means that y is equal to 63. Okay, you good? Right. Then, did you guys have that other page for homework? Right. So, 11.1. Someone said they don't have that page. Who was that? Okay, come get. Anyone else? Okay. Right. So, 11.1. Those were exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, so x will be equal to the 80 plus the 70. Remember, we add the two interior angles to give me the exterior angle. So that means that x is 150. Okay, at 11.2, we had the same thing. I add the two angles in this on the inside, so x plus 30 plus the 50 is going to be equal to the exterior angle of 140. Reason being exterior angle triangle. So then if I simplify it, x will be 60. Right, now 11.3, I drew it over here. So let's quickly have a look. What I wanted you to see is this is a straight line, which means that all of these added up. It's supposed to give me 180, right? So that's why I said Q plus the 62 plus the 32 will give me 180. And your reason there would be angles on a straight line. All right, so if I simplified, then Q would be 86. Now, I write in that 86. To get Y, have a look, I see a Z. No. So Y will be the same as 32 And whenever we use a Z, we talk about alternate angles. So alternate angles because PQ is parallel to RS. Right, then the last one there, to get X. There was more than one method. I'm going to quickly show you what I wrote here. I saw a U, which means that X plus the 62 is going to give me 180 because coin theory we've got to add up. No. And it must give me 180. So co-interior angles PQ parallel to RS, which means that X is 180. That was one option. Another option would be you can use a Z, which means that that full angle Q and the 32 would be the same as X. Do you guys see that? Did anyone have that? Hmm? Oh. You just said the 32. Okay, remember it's that full angle. Okay, right. Anything else that you guys maybe had? One of my previous kids said they used this triangle. We had Q and Y. So they first worked out this angle. And then once they had that, they said angles on a straight line to get X. Yeah, but I mean, that's totally correct. You can still get all your marks there. Okay. Anything else? Right, can I skip? Right, then the last one. To get A, I saw, wait, let me first write down the wordings for you guys. So this was alternate angles. This was corresponding. And this was angles on a straight line. Okay, so at A, I saw a Z, which means that A will be the same as 114. Alternate angles because AB is parallel to CD. Remember to use the correct parallel lines. People, would it be correct if I used that and said because EF is parallel to KL? Can I say that? No, because I'm not using those green lines. The ones that I am using is AB and CD. All right, so make sure you use the correct parallel sides. Right, then I said B would be 114 as well because I see a F. So B is equal to 114 corresponding angles. And now you'll see that I use EF and KL as my parallel lines. Any questions there? Okay, and then lastly, I said that this is a straight line. So C and B together must be 180 degrees because it's angles on a straight line. And we worked out B was 114, so that's why I said 180 minus the amount of B. You guys good with that? Any questions? Right, then you guys haven't received this page yet. No? Okay. Huh? Some of you. Okay, right. Can I ask you to hand out, please? Guys, so that is going to be your homework. Okay, it's 2 pages. Wait, 2 pages per person. Okay, so homework. Will be the worksheet. What's the numbering there? What's the first one? Or what does it say at the top? Okay, that's it.